Okay, let's go now to another piece of scripture to continue our work with subjunctive mood. And this time, let's take a look at a passage that we've already begun to look at, John chapter 15, verse 16. Now, we've already been over this before. Let's just review it. Uchumes me ex alexis the. There's your verb, ex alexis the. Notice that it's negated with this negative at the beginning here. Here is your subject, humes. Here is your direct object, me. The verb, notice, has a second person plural ending. And remember that this particular verb, turn my page here, that this verb comes from the lexical entry ek legomai. And ek legomai is a deponent verb. Notice it's middle in form, but present in meaning. It means I choose or select. Notice also that this is a compound verb, that there's a prepositional prefix in front of the verb here. If there is to be an augment in a compound verb, it's going to occur between the prepositional prefix and the rest of the verb. So as we look at the form in our text, notice that here is our augment. Notice also how the spelling of this preposition ek changes when it's followed now by a vowel instead of by a consonant. Let's go to the back part of the verb. There's your second person plural ending. Notice that it is a middle ending, an alpha connecting vowel. And look what happens when we put a sigma tense indicator. You see, if you take this stem, ek, leg, and you add a sigma tense indicator, the gamma plus a sigma is going to give you this letter C. So you've got a sigma tense indicator in here. So this verb would be parsed aorist, middle, or let's say deponent. Let's put the word deponent there because it is middle in form, but it's present in meaning. If you put middle, it's not wrong, but let's go ahead and call it deponent. Aorist, deponent, indicative. Why is it indicative? We've got an augment here. Aorist, deponent, indicative, second person, singular. Okay? So the text says, you did not choose me. But, now for this word Allah, notice how the alpha is missing on the end of this word. The reason for that is that the next word begins with a vowel. And you notice that when that vowel dropped away from the end of this conjunction, that an apostrophe is put there to tell you that a letter has fallen away. Elision has occurred. But I, and here's our verb again, but now with a first person singular ending, I have chosen you, and ethikahumas, I have ordained, I have put, I have placed you.